Friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, bringing again a homemade hand sanitizer. The earlier one was well accepted. Here, the combination of rubbing alcohol along with aloe vera gel. These are my ingredients. Again, instead of the essential oil, I have taken the tea tree oil, which has wonderful benefits. So let's get started. Here we have to be very careful about the measurements. Again, rubbing alcohol has antiseptic properties. Aloe vera gel is very good for your skin, again having antibacterial properties along with the antioxidant, and tea tree oil has antifungal, antibacterial property. A combination of all this will make a wonderful hand sanitizer. The measurements have to be very specific. 2/3 of the rubbing alcohol and 1/3 of the aloe vera gel. So your whatever the containers you are taking have to be very clean, and being very specific, taking the measuring jar, taking this 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol and putting it in the mixing jar. And again, aloe vera gel is normally preferred 1/3 because it has a soothing effect on your skin. So I'm taking here roughly about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. So you can increase or decrease as per your specifications, but I prefer 2/3 to 1/3 combination, mixing it very well. Now when this gets mixed properly, am I going to add this tea tree oil. Again, it's about 2 to 3 drops of the tea tree oil is more because it has a very strong flavor and very strong impact, so not much of that. And this has been mixed properly. The consistency has to be balanced in such a way that you get a good covering effect. As I'm showing you, putting it in the spray bottle, this actually disinfects your hands in a very subtle way, and you are safe and secure. Try this recipe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.